We're definitely gonna need that. But first of all, we gotta say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
I'm Dave. You're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. I got another great episode today. Rosie's here again today for part of Dave's Disney food series. We're making the gray stuff today.
Try the gray stuff. It's delicious.
That's right. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. We're gonna make it today. So great activities for the kids. Bring the kids around, gather them up. We're making the gray stuff. So let's talk real quick about what we're gonna need. We're going to need one 3.4 ounce vanilla pudding mix. We're gonna need half a cup of milk, 15 Oreos, 8 ounces of Cool Whip, 2 tablespoons of chocolate pudding mix, and of course, the sprinkles for the top. So now that we know what we need, let's get making. You know what? I needed my spatula. That's why we gotta get all of our stuff together.
We need this.
We definitely need that. So, but the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix. It's gonna get messy. Grab our milk, put it in here. Down in the description below, it'll be all the ingredients and the amounts. So if I don't talk about it as we do this, because at any second this could come off the rails. So everything you need is down below.
I'll use it.
Now we need to add, this is
sugar.
Vanilla pudding mix. We're putting all this in here, ready?
Whoa.
Whoa,
Whoa, scare me.
was it scary? We already got Cool Whip all over the counter.
Try it.
Try it, I know it. That is good. You wanna try to mix that together some?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I can do it.
I can do this.
So mix, she's got it. So mix together our pudding mix and our milk.
Ooh, look. Look, Papa.
Yeah, that's looking good.
And I get it? I think I get good with this.
I think so. Let me give it a quick little, just make sure we get it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see.
I'll use it.
Use it, get in there. Try to like scrape the bottom a little bit. Yeah, here, watch. Just give it a good scrape.
Oh.
Because as we mix it, we add our Cool Whip. There we go, that should be good. Now let's use the spatula. What I need you to do now, I need you to get all of this into there.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh man.
Wow. We can use all these, Papa.
Now because it's part of the Disney series, I got another Roosevelt shirt on. This is my Paging Mr. Morrow shirt. I don't know if the gray stuff is on this shirt, but this shirt has all kinds of food on it too, so if you know, you know. Got a little pudding mix stuck in my, yeah, let's get it. Get it. This is a family episode, so if it, you know.
It's so good.
You gotta love Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
It's so good.
I was hoping because it was rainy today that the dogs wouldn't be barking, but they are.
I'll make it clean up.
Gonna clean this up. Here, we're gonna mix this up.
I'll get Papa. I'll get that. Here, yeah.
Gonna fold in. Okay. Okay, good. You're a good helper. Thanks. We're gonna fold in our Cool Whip, make sure we get this all mixed.
That was a close one.
You know what? Let's add our chocolate pudding mix. Throw that in there too. There you go. Set that
Mix
aside.
it. Mix it.
Mix it. Mix it.
Ooh.
It's just a great activity for the kids. It's rainy. Can't do anything
Look,
outside.
look.
Nice.
It's so good.
Yeah, it is.
It's making purple. I think it's making brown and white.
Yeah, it's
It
supposed to
makes
make like the
black.
gray stuff, you know? So it's supposed to have like a little grayish look to it.
Papa,
Yeah.
look.
You know what else we have to do? We need to smash up 15 Oreos. You know what? I never even moved the blender.
I know.
We don't need this. This is a different episode. Let's get this out of the way.
Yeah.
We do need this. Because you can always take these into like a small food processor and grind them up, but we're keeping it old school today. Sometimes, you know, to take out the food processor, it's a big ordeal just to grind these up. We're gonna smash them up. That looks good. Here, let me give it a couple quick.
I'll help you.
You're gonna hold it? All right, I'll hold it. So we're getting aggressive on this stuff now. There we go. Scrape our edges down.
Ooh, just shiny.
It's shiny?
Yeah, it's
Let's make sure we get it mixed. Looks pretty good.
Daddy,
That's
come
pretty good.
here.
Now, how are we gonna smash these?
I'll do it.
We should. Knock yourself right off the counter. This is one time we get to hit stuff.
Daddy, look. Daddy, look. Daddy, you can
We got
see
guests off
us.
camera. Yeah, you can see us. Depending on the age of the person that you're making this for, I'm gonna do it yourself. Let's flip it.
Yeah.
Just gotta make sure it fits your fingers.
How are you holding?
It's good enough? It's pretty close, right?
No, wait, I'll do it. I'll do it.
You're gonna open it? Open it and dump them in here. That's the last piece of our gray stuff. Nice. Pretty good at that. Throw that out. Oh, you got some on your hand. How is it? Is it good?
Try it.
Well, I'll try it in a minute.
I'll try it.
Just kind of push down on it.
I'll do it.
All right, I know you will.
I'll help you too.
Okay. I feel like it should use a little more milk.
Yeah.
I think we should smooth that out a little bit. It seems a little,
Try it.
Okay, yeah, bring it. Ah. Oh, that is delicious. Let's, I feel like we should add some more milk.
It's so good.
Yeah, let me see. What do you think? I think we could use a splash more milk. Let me get it started because it's going to make a mess if we... Yeah, see, I think it needed more. I'll make sure that the exact amounts are
Look,
below.
table.
Is it a little...
It's so good.
Yeah.
This is really good. Licky.
Gray stuff, it's delicious.
Licky.
No. We get to put sprinkles on this now. Here, let's get real traditional with the sprinkles and use these round ones because this is what they use. You can get gray stuff at Magic Kingdom. I think Gaston's Tavern has some. They put it on top of a cupcake. We didn't make cupcakes today. That looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Very fancy. And obviously you can also get it at Be Our Guest as part of their dessert.
We need the...
Looks good, right? Should we grab a different spoon? Holy mackerel. All right, let's taste it. What do you say?
Yeah,
Let's get a couple of spoons from out of here.
Yeah.
I think it's these. That's a fork. It's on there. Oh, we're going big spoons?
Let's try it.
All right, let's try it. Whoop. Why did I grab the fork you put back in here? You're crazy. Why do I keep grabbing? Do I not know where spoons are in my own drawer? How is it?
Good.
Is it delicious? Rosie, come here. Tell the camera that the gray stuff is delicious.
This stuff's delicious.
Wow, all right, we're gonna be putting that towel into the laundry. Let's test it out.
It's good?
Oh. Big sprinkle jammed in my tooth. Not only is it good, it's delicious. So if there's anything else out there you'd like Rosie and I to make for kids, let me know. Disney or not Disney, we'll make it. Good? So thanks for watching. Rosie says thank you. She would, but her mouth is full. Say thanks for watching.
You're watching me.
Wow, the sugar's getting to her. So I got a video up here that's gonna be great. Check it out. Comment below if you like the episode. Certainly click like. Comment if you know where else to get the gray stuff. And once you're doing all that,
What?
once you're done doing all that, go cook something. Rosie, tell them to go cook something.
Cook something and murder.
Thanks for watching and go cook something.
Let's go do it.